Hello, in this video we are going to write a Python code for quicksort algorithm. In quicksort and merge sort they use divide and conquer method. Here the first function uses divide and conquer and the partition method here actually demonstrates the quicksort algorithm. First we need to create a list. Let me go to bubble sort and copy these. You can find the codes in the link in the description. Then let's start by defining our quicksorts function. Okay, that's it for quicksort, and let me write partition. It actually goes to r-1th index here. As you know, in Python it doesn't take r-1, so we will write just r. Here I don't want to use the less than or equal to. I will just use less than. Actually, let me write it also, but we will have an error actually. And we will exchange ith index of a and jth index of a. There's another method for this I showed in bubble sorts. We can keep one of them in another variable and exchange them, but you can do it also like this. Here ai will be aj and aj will be ai. Go out to for loop and exchange ai plus 1. Return a plus 1. So we will call our quicksort function, but we need p and r. P is, as you know, index starts from 0. R will be length of a actually, but we will use length of a minus 1, because if you give length of a, it will have the length of a's index here, which doesn't exist, because just assume it is 10, which is length of a. The last index will be 9th index, so there should be 9. I could write here just r minus 1 also, but I am doing it here. Actually, it won't work properly, but I wanna run it. Let's give it 10, 100. Actually it worked, but let me run it and give 11 indexes. Actually I didn't hope that it would work. Yeah, I guess it works like that. But I didn't think it would work with this one, but it is working properly. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.